Are you passionate about worship and have a desire to write songs that would connect with people's hearts? In 2024, I'm launching the Worship Songwriting Workshop, where I will help you unlock your creative potential and inspire you to write impactful worship songs. In this workshop, I'll guide you through a step-by-step process to tap into inspiration and unleash your creativity. You'll learn how to generate powerful ideas, explore different musical styles, and craft compelling lyrics that resonate with your audience. I'll provide you with practical tips on melody creation, chord progression, and arranging your music to create an immersive worship experience. But this workshop, it's not just about writing songs alone, but it's also about collaborating and connecting with other worship songwriters. I believe that worship songwriting is a spiritual journey, and I will encourage you and support you along the way. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced songwriter, this workshop is designed to help you grow your skills and deepen your relationship with God. So if you're ready to unleash your creative potential and write worship songs that inspire and impact others, join me at the Worship Songwriting Workshop. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content, and I look forward to seeing you at this very special workshop.